everyone, Jaymes Mansfield here bringing you yet another video. Now, we had so much that came out during Pride Month that represented the LGBT community and especially girls of the drag world. This product is by Hank and Henry and it is the Mayhem Miller lipstick collection. I got all three to show my support for Mayhem. Look at her on the side of it. And it's her handwriting. Mayhem Miller x Hank and Henry. Alright, so I'm going to swatch some lipsticks for you folks so you can see how they look. And if you want to purchase these for yourself, which I think you should do anyway because you have to support our sisters. Okay, so the first one I'm going to try out is called Miss Fang. Like Miss Fang. Okay, now I'm going to put some lip liner on because I look crazy as hell and I need some lips on, alright? And as a drag queen, you have to have lips lined because, you know, otherwise you get like that weird flat, you know, drag queen mouth and you know, you look like an old lady. Ooh, there we are. We're celebrating the natural line of my lips. So let's take out Miss Fang. We're doing an unboxing too. You're getting everything in this video. And if you like my prideful outfit, I got my colorful hair that I styled myself and I actually dyed this wig this color. It was originally blonde. And let me just say, my experiences dyeing a synthetic wig is, what a waste of time that is. Honestly, just buy the hair this color and you get this weird like, you know, dyed lace and it's like a really dark red that it is what it is, you know? I cut it down super low so maybe it's not as noticeable, but yeah, I probably won't ever do that again. So for those who ask me to dye a synthetic wig, this is the end result and I'm not gonna waste my time like that again. Just buy a wig this color. Okay, this is Miss Fang. It's really cute actually. It's bright purple. Shocking pink purple. What's that called? Magenta? Fuchsia. Fuchsia is purple and pink, right? Ernie?
I don't know.
I don't know either. I went to school for fashion, not color theory. Okay. Okay, it smells like cake. Kind of like the Rich Lux one. That one smelled like cake too. If it wanted to truly capture the Mayhem Miller essence, it would smell like Chinese food at 2 a.m. Ooh, there we are. That is Miss Fang. It's cute actually, oh my gosh. It's almost like a Barbie Corvette pink. Like it's a little fuchsia, a little purple, a little bit of pink. And under lights, it like really pops. I love doing swatch videos because it always looks like I just got my lips done. Ugh. Well, it's no doubt it's a really strong lipstick because girl, it's stained my lips. Which if you like long lasting lipsticks, it's gonna be good for you. Also with lip swatching videos, I've noticed that like my lips get progressively bigger and bigger because I keep scrubbing around. All right, this next one is called Chrissy. Oh, that's really cute. It's like a poppin' pink, labia pink. Yes, that's what it is. It's labia pink. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. This is probably my favorite one so far. Like this is my favorite one. Like this kind of pink is always really, really hard to get, especially on me. It never really works, but I actually really like the way this looks on me today. Oh my gosh. Maybe it's the red hair or something, but it's really poppy on my face and my skin. Also, it kind of reminds me of that Nicki Minaj collaboration. Like when she first collaborated with MAC, Pink for Friday, I really wanted that lipstick, but I was too poor and I couldn't afford it. And it sold out right away. So I never got to get my hands on it, but now it's like I got it, you know, right here and right now. And it's Mayhem Miller, so it's better. All right, our last one is called Party Girl, which is essentially what Mayhem Miller is known for being, a party girl. My God, I worked one party with Mayhem Miller at the Abbey. And let me just say, Mayhem Miller will get you drunk. Like she will turn you out and she's so much fun to work with. I worked her 90s party on a Tuesday at the Abbey with her and her friend Sam, who put that show together. And my God, that was one of my favorite nights ever in West Hollywood. Honestly, for a Drag Race stand, this story sounds like a fairy tale. Picture it. I'm gonna set the scene for you. The Abbey on a Tuesday night. I am co-hosting a 90s night with Mayhem Miller and the Go-Go Boy Sam. And the Abbey, for those of you who don't know, they have the best go-go dancers. They do like theatrics, they hang from the ceiling, and it is incredible the things they can do. So you're already distracted by that. But not only that, when you are a Drag Race girl or a special guest there, you are basically sectioned off in the VIP section, a little square by the DJ booth. So you're just up on a pedestal, and you and Mayhem, and you're just sitting there kicking back, drinking free drinks. And the traffic of the world comes through there. Like, I recall seeing Mariah Paris Balenciaga just sit down and start taking champagne out of the VIP box. Like, she was originally behind it and then just stepped over and sat down with all of us. And if you haven't hung out with Mariah, you are missing out, because she is a hoot. And the stories that girl will tell you will have you on the floor. And on top of that, Bianca Del Rio and Adore Delano came to see me that night. They didn't come to see me. They just happened to go to the Abbey that night, and I happened to be there. But I like to think of it as they came to see, you know, superstar Jaymes Mansfield, influential influencer, YouTube sensation. You know, that's the way I, you know, made sense of it in my mind. But Bianca Del Rio was there out of drag, you know, very, very shiny, big, big lips, like she just got stung by bees. And Adore Delano, who looks like Natalie Imbruglia out of drag. It's true. And Bianca Del Rio was a little, for lack of better words, and so was I, tipsy. We both were a little tipsy. We had some drinks that night. And I may or may not had been half in the bag on Bianca Del Rio's shoulder, you know, giving her the full hand like, Bianca, I just want you to know you are such an inspiration to me. And here, meanwhile, just Bianca Del Rio like, thanks, girl. And she's so humble, while this drunk mess is on her shoulder like, you don't understand, you're just the best. And she couldn't have been nicer, and politely excused herself as soon as I finished drooling all over her. I would too if I were her. And she had all the time in the world to sit there and let this little drunk mess like tell her how much she loved her, and even gave me some great advice about, you know, just being yourself, and what you're doing is fine. Just keep projecting the best you, and people will eventually catch on, which is really good advice if you think about it, which is kind of obvious. I feel like they kind of tell you that since kindergarten, but it takes somebody that's world famous and in drag to like really make it sink in, you know? So yeah, that was a real fun night, and it's all because Mayhem Miller got me booked at the Abbey, so thanks, Mayhem. And after that, we went and had Chinese food in Sam's bed while she was sitting there regaling me about her time on Drag Race, because I was one of the few people she actually could talk about it with. Oh, I got so distracted I didn't even talk about the lipstick. Party Girl was fun. That is a very, very, it's kind of an intense pink, like a fright pink. Sort of like, you remember the Alyssa Edwards palette? Sort of like that, like shocking pink. This one I probably like the least, because I feel like these two are such statements. Like, they're so bright, and this one's more like pink. You know, it's a different mood. I think this is the more, you know, evening wear, where these ones are more like party. Anyways, good job, Mayhem. Good job, Megan Henry. I have to say, these lipsticks are really fabulous and a bunch of fun colors, honestly. I really, really dug Chrissy. Chrissy was my favorite by far. I've never had a pink like that where it really popped on my lips. I've had tons and tons of lipsticks similar, but they always kind of made me look like I'm dead. Whereas this one didn't do that. I had life still. So that is high praise indeed from a drag queen. This was the Mayhem Miller x Hank and Henry collaboration. They are fabulous. Be sure and show your support for Mayhem Miller. She is a legend in West Hollywood and drag. And if you guys like my hair, I just styled this today. I have been learning so much about wig styling in the past couple months, guys. I have studied books. I've taken online classes. I have been just absorbing as much as I can to get better at my skill, you know, because that's what you do. For a long time, I was self-taught, but after a while, you know, you can only know so much. You have to learn from other people. And I have my last 2 wigs listed for my blonde collection, and this is gonna be the last time I have my wigs priced at such a low price, because honestly, I've learned and invested so much into my wigs, I have to raise the price now. So keep a lookout for my next listings of wigs, and lots more fun things happening in the future with Jaymes Mansfield. I have some really fun things planned for the future, but I have to keep a tight lip about it, so you'll just have to wait and see. And speaking of wigs, don't forget I also have my collaboration with Black Phoenix Alchemy Lab, the Jaymes Mansfield Midwest Morning After. It smells just like cream soda. Be sure and pick that up at blackphoenixalchemylab.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye! Click here and watch me triple stack a wig. Or see my totally unbiased review of the Anastasia Beverly Hills x Alyssa Edwards palette. Come on, click it. You know you want to. If you don't click it, I'll report you to the FBI. So click it.